Inside Amazon advertising, especially in sponsored products campaigns, there are two main targeting methods that sellers can use. Amazon has named these automatic targeting and manual targeting. Let us understand what automatic targeting and manual targeting are and how they actually work. With automatic targeting, you can run advertisements on your products with minimal effort. Amazon's system automatically decides which search terms and which product pages your advertisement should appear on. It does this by analyzing your product listing information such as the title, bullet points, back-end keywords, product attributes, category, and other listing details. Amazon's algorithm also considers shopper behavior and product relevance when deciding where your ad should appear. Now here is something beginners often misunderstand. Even though automatic targeting is easy to set up, it still needs to be monitored carefully. Running an Amazon advertising campaign costs money, and Amazon deducts this money from your advertising account whenever someone clicks on your advertisement. Amazon advertising operates on a cost-per-click model, which means sellers only pay when a shopper clicks the advertisement, not when the advertisement is simply displayed. If your campaigns are not optimized properly, advertising expenses can increase quickly without generating enough sales.